Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this purple sparkly makeup look. This entire look is created by the Rude Cosmetics Passion Spellbook palette. And the first shade we're using is Rune, a purpley pink shade, and I'm putting this in the crease and creating a winged-like shape on the outer corners. Then extending the color underneath the eyes. Next we're using the amethyst shade, which is a purple, and putting this shade in the outer corners in the crease. Then filling in the top eyelids with the same shade. Then going over the eyelids with the Crystal Ball shade, which is a purple sparkle, but it also sort of has a blue sparkle in it. And that completes this purple sparkly makeup look using the Passion Spellbook palette. I really like this palette and think it has a lot of really great red and purple shades. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope to see you guys again soon.